Admissions are now open at NEXUS Science Hub for the 2026 to 27 academic session for CBSE students from Class 5 to 12, where learning goes beyond textbooks and comes alive. At NEXUS, we believe science is best understood by doing, not just memorizing. So along with strong, concept-driven theory classes, students get hands-on experiments that build real understanding and confidence. From curious middle school learners to focused board aspirants, our expert mentors guide every student with clarity, care, and curiosity. Plus, every enrolled student gets free access to the NEXUS virtual lab, allowing them to explore experiments, simulations, and concepts anytime, anywhere. If you're a parent looking for a future-ready learning environment or a student eager to truly experience science, NEXUS Science Hub is the place to begin your journey. Admissions are limited. Enroll now and turn curiosity into capability.